Hey everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake and I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions about senior pet healthcare, especially dogs.
Dr. Drake, what changes in basic care are needed for my senior dog?
I think they should be getting into the veterinarian more often, for sure, so that we can have a look at them and help decide if there's anything going on with your help of history, but also our exam. And lab work is really helpful, and sometimes x-rays as well.
Do I need to change my senior dog's feeding schedule?
Yeah, so quite often we are going to change your senior dog's diet, and it just depends really on every pet is individual and every owner has different thoughts, and so we're going to work with you to come up with the best diet. We'd like to make sure that older dogs are getting really high quality protein sources, and we also like them to be eating some vegetables if they'll tolerate them. So, I mean, I kind of like all dogs to be doing some of that, but especially as they age, their ability to absorb protein becomes decreased. We want to make sure they have a really high quality source of protein, and we also want to make sure that they don't get overweight.
What activities and training can I do with my senior dog?
So every dog varies tremendously. The most important is that it's regular and that it's moderate. So by regular, I mean that if they're taking a walk, that they're taking a walk every other day or every day. Dogs that walk every day with their owner, I will tell you, they age so much better. Just it's an amazing difference. So if you're not walking your dog and you can think about it, it's really helpful. Them just going out in the backyard is not the same thing as taking a half-mile or mile walk. Or in the case of dogs that have been walking for a long time, they can walk longer. The difference is that we don't want them out in the heat. Old dogs do not tolerate the heat. We also don't want them having to jump up and down because that can hurt their backs. We want to try to stay, just on a flat surface, obviously a cool one. We don't want their feet burning, but regular daily exercise is so important for dogs, and every dog's different, so we'll help you determine what's the safest and best.
If I want to adopt a senior dog, what should I know?
Senior dogs are great. We love old dogs here in the practice. Honestly, a little bit of gray on the muzzle is just precious, and we love their wisdom that they've accumulated over the years. So I think it's a great, lovely thing. We have one of our technicians that always just adopts the oldest, most unadoptable dogs, and she loves them, and we all come to love her pets as well. So I think it's certainly something you can do. It would probably be a great idea to make sure that a veterinarian has examined the pet before you adopt it or immediately after, so that we can make sure that you understand what the particular care needs or what we can do to keep that quality of life really great.
What behavior changes will I notice in my senior dog?
Well, certainly they're going to start sleeping a little more. Their vision may not be quite as perfect. Almost all dogs get to be about the age of 13. A lot of them have hearing loss. We just want to make sure that we're aware of what's going on so that we can, do the best care for them at home.
What are some things I can do to help extend the length of my dog's life?
The most important thing that you can do for your dog, actually a couple things. First of all, come in to see us at least once a year and let us partner with you to make sure we have the best plan. Keeping dogs thin and walking them every day is by far the most important thing you can do at home, and then a healthy diet as well. So we're here to help you. If you have any other questions about senior care in a dog, give us a call at the Drake Center.